Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to purchase SafeBTC using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to transfer your Binance coin from Binance over to your Trust Wallet, and then you're able to purchase SafeBTC with that. Now, I'd just like to remind you guys that I do have lots of cryptocurrency tutorials on my channel. So if you guys are interested in learning about the new cryptocurrencies and how to purchase them right as they come out, I'd really recommend subscribing and I'd appreciate it as well. Now let's move along with this video as I show you guys step by step how to get this done. So the first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort. And then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once your BNB is now in your Smart Chain on your Trust Wallet, all you guys have to do is add the SafeBTC address to your Trust Wallet. And to do that, I have a link in the description over to BSC Scan, where you guys can copy the contract ID and then copy it over to your Trust Wallet. So if you guys go ahead and click on that link that I have in the description, it'll bring you over to this website here, BSC Scan. You guys want to scroll down and copy the contract ID from here. Once you guys copy the contract ID, you can exit out of here and go back over to Trust Wallet. And what you want to do is you want to go to the top right of the screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 dots. Click on that, and you want to paste that address in here. Once you guys paste the address, you will then see the SafeBTC option pop up. You just want to enable it and then click on Done. Once you guys do that, you just have to make sure you have the browser option on the bottom of your screen here. If you guys don't have the browser option for whatever reason, you guys can go to the second link I have in the description. It'll bring you over to Trust Wallet's website, and it'll just look like this. It'll just tell you that you have to enable your DApp browser. So if you guys scroll down on here and you see all the steps, step 1 just says that you have to click on that link. Step 2 just says that you have to click on Open on that little pop-up, and then it will bring you back over to your Trust Wallet, and the browser icon will then be there. Once you guys have that browser icon, all you guys have to do is click on Browser. Then you want to head over to Pancakeswap. And once you're on Pancakeswap here, you just want to go up to the top of your screen where you see the Connect option. If you don't have your wallet ID there already. If you have your wallet ID there already, you're good to go. But if you don't, you just want to click on Connect and then click on Trust Wallet, and then your wallet ID will then be there. And then your BNB will then be in your balance here as well. Now, if you don't see your BNB here in your balance, just make sure that you transfer it over to the Smart Chain. Then you should see your balance in here. But once you have your balance and everything is good there, you just want to click on Select a Currency. And you want to paste that same address that we got from BSC Scan in here as well. You will then see the SafeBTC found by address pop up here. You just want to click on that little blue lettering that says Add. And then you can click on SafeBTC. And then it will pop up in your to portion here on the exchange. Now, one thing I do recommend is setting your slippage tolerance to 12% before you go ahead and try to purchase this. To change your slippage tolerance, you just want to go to the 3 lines beside exchange, click on that, and then you should be able to change the slippage tolerance right here to 12. Once you guys do that, you click on X, and then now all you have to do is decide how much BNB that you want to transfer over into SafeBTC. Now, you can just go ahead and type in here what you would like. So say if I wanted to do 0.2, I type that in, and then it will show me the amount of SafeBTC that I will receive. If you're okay with the amount you will receive, you can just click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It should just tell you that you have the right BNB balance to go through. Once you click on that option there, it'll show you a broken down version of your transaction, showing you your exchange rates and things like that, and your fees. Once you guys are done that, you guys can go ahead and confirm that, and then you could just exit out of Pancakeswap. And then in a couple minutes or so, you should receive your safe BNB in your Trust Wallet here. Very, very easy and simple to do. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the SafeBTC token on your Trust Wallet with Pancakeswap. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.